Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Expansionary fiscal policy questions get easy fast when you track aggregate demand in the short run and connect output, prices, and unemployment step by step. Expansionary fiscal policy means the government increases spending or cuts taxes, so aggregate demand shifts right. And with no crowding out, that boost is not canceled by lower private spending. In the short run, a rightward shift in aggregate demand raises real GDP and pushes the price level up because firms respond to stronger demand by producing more output. As real GDP rises, firms need more workers, so unemployment falls, and that gives us a combo of higher prices with lower unemployment. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Don't flip the signs or rush. Trust what's given and check each step before locking your answer.